That wasn't the warmest welcome we've ever had, but it sure was the smelliest.
Well, looks like the government's not gonna be too helpful. So if we want the truth, we're gonna have to go to the heart of it all. The secret lab where Project Chrysalis started. It's all in Dad's... your journal.
Great! Well, this is just the research I need for my show. When do we leave?
Too dangerous.
Especially for us.
Hey, no fair. Axel's dad gets to come.
It's okay, son. I'll just stay here and run through my lines.
All right, team, gear it up!
This is where the journal said the secret government lab was.
Dude, there's nothing here.
It's gotta be here. No, the lab is not in these mountains. It is under them. I have been here before, I think.
I'll get the climbing gear. Dad.
Hi, son. Slight change of script. I thought I'd improvise and tag along with the rest of the cast.
I didn't know. Honest. We can't just leave him here. He'll freeze.
Well, it couldn't make his acting any stiffer.
Okay, Mr. TV can come along, but we're roping him to you.
How you doing, Dad?
Everything's A-okay.
Axel, I am not sure how, but I know this place. The entrance we are looking for is here. Somewhere. Come on!
Okay, Journal. Got a combination for me? Ah, thank you.
Someone left this place in a hurry.
Yeah, and they forgot to pay the heating bill.
Something happened here. To me.
Must have been a long time ago. This place has been empty for years.
Not as empty as you think. We've been sent to destroy the Project Chrysalis files.
Great costumes, guys. And sweet makeup effects.
On Tiger set? Whatever you say, Pop. Come on!
We'd love to stay and fight, but this place is about to blow apart.
Destroying a fight. The lab and you. So long, losers.
No! We're trapped! King! Get the files!
I'm getting them! You get us out!
Step aside. I did this in an episode of Macho Force. The Fredonia faction had me trapped in a nuclear reactor. I had to cut the wires in a very specific order, or the city would be destroyed in the next episode.
What happened?
No idea. We got canceled.
I've got the files! Let's get out of here before we're all barbecued!
answers we have been looking for are here.
Look, we don't have to do this. I got my father back. That's all the answers I need.
Axel, I need to know.
Project Chrysalis was a government experiment. They were trying to clone a super soldier. Lee did the same thing to my dad that he did to me. He cloned him.
Then, what about me? Am I Sebastian Manning, or his clone?
The clones were all marked with a tattoo on their chests.
No. I am sorry, Axel. I would have been proud to be your father.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Dad.
Thanks, guys. My agent made the deal. The show's gonna be huge, and I'm doing all my own stunts. You were my inspiration, so I'm not leaving you high and dry. Here's a little something special. Oh, I got the macho force.
What a great dude! And generous!